Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 21st, 2021. Here we are. We're going to give you all a stock today that is showing a huge upside potential. You guys can already tell it's on my screen. It's on your screen. You can see what it is. It is for Vornado Realty Trust. Now I'm going to go into this video and give you some explanation as to why we expect the market in Vornado Realty Trust to go higher in price. It's plain and simple. We're going to predict where the trap is going to take the price of this product. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification because trust me, you do not want to miss out on our positions that we're creating to make sure we capitalize from the trap. You might be asking yourself the question now, okay, cool, who's the trap? Well, the trap is the one who controls the price. Plain and simple. Nothing else matters, period. The trap is the one who moves the market. He is in control of where he's going to take the price. You might be asking yourself, okay, why is he in control? Because it's his purpose to make sure he creates a market. He brings the buyers and sellers together to where they can converse and transact, period. And everything that you see on my chart right now, the price bars and the volume, is his process. He's moving the market. So you need to be on the lookout for him on the bottom left side of my screen. That's the crook. He is the criminal. Don't let no one else try to tell you otherwise. So let's go into this particular stock real quick and let's see what is that huge size potential. All right, because you can see over the last couple of days the market for Vornado is simply trading sideways. So what does that mean? It simply means that the trap is comfortable in creating enough business between the buyers and sellers right here in between, I would say $44 all the way back down here to 30. So there's like a $10 gap between where he cannot create a market. Cool, we got that. So let's look at this market in Vornado on a 3-day time frame. Again, you can see a little bit better to where the market is just bouncing in between $40 to around 30. We got that. So over the last couple of days, 2 weeks, let me show you the weekly chart real quick. You can see here that the market is displaying that support is around $35, maybe even around $32.50, right? And prior to this current weekly price bar that just completed, the market was in a slight downtrend, and he has shown us already that $35 is posed as support. So Vornado is anticipated to continue to go higher in price unless he breaks that price below $35. He is telling us this. If you can visually depict what these things mean, you can get in position. So we got that in play. That is the weekly time frame. Let's look at the market on the monthly. So all of these months since March of 2020, Vornado has just been in this very tight range. And as I zoom out, it's not a surprise. Take a look. They always leave their footprint in the market in these stocks, right? This is the next area of support, 38. We already came and hit the last area of support into the market in Vornado back here in 2009. It did it once again. And now we're creating a lot of emphasis to where the market does not want to break below $30. Easy. He leaves us clues. And once you're able to interpret those clues, you'll be able to capitalize into the market. Because look at the volume. Back in 2008, 2009, the volume was extreme. It was massive. Same thing now. The market in Vornado has definitely seen an increase compared to what it was trading in 2012 to 2019. That's when the market was trading around $85, $90. We're now seeing the market come in and purchase this product right around $30 to $40. Got it. So now let's see what this huge upside potential is into the market in Vornado. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to play this move on a weekly time frame. Okay. So now, prior history is a good indication as to what is going to go on into the future. Okay. So we can look at this weekly price chart and gauge to where the trap had issues of breaking price above. We can see that. The first one is right there on $40. Next one is 42, right? Or 42.50. So we're going to continue to expect the market in Vornado to go higher. But we also understand that the market can find restriction at $40 and $42.50. We're expecting the market at least to come to $40. So you can skim off a little bit right there around $40, which is about 4.84% profitability. But then $42.50 as well. Okay. Now the huge upside potentials for this market in Vornado to come up to 45, which is about 18%. Okay. So this is how we're going to play the market. We're already in position in anticipation of where the market is headed, all without being confused. Again, I told you TP, which means take profit, will be around $40 to $42.50. And that's it, which would garner about what, 5% at $40 and 11% at $42.50. And that's it. Nothing hard, nothing confusing. Everyone else is trying to take your time, just picking out stocks, expecting the market to go higher simply because the market overall in general is always going higher. This is the next move for us. What do you see? Let everyone know in our comment section what you expect this particular stock to do. You might see something totally different, which that's okay. What do you see? Where are we headed? Let everyone know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.